Good day, YouTube. This video is on the question of what time frames to trade on Forex. Now, as you can see here, I've got MT4 open. You've got all the different time frames, notably the 15-minute, the hour, the 1 day, probably the most commonly traded time frames there, not so much the week or the month. And in asking that question, which are the most fruitful or the best time frames to trade, to me the answer would be it's not really asking the right question. Let's see if, now I have not looked at this chart, but I'll see if I can illustrate some points just through any random chart at all. Let's see, so if we start off with the, let's say the minute, so the minute time frame. So it looks like it's a upward trending chart at the moment. Great. If we switch to other charts, we may start to see that it's looking like it's turning into a downwards trending chart. And 15 minutes, in other words, zooming out, it looks like very sideways trending, and so on, so forth, etc. Day looks like it's going down a little bit. So it's basically it's all about these different time frames. They are zooming in or zooming out, causing a different look at what you're doing. So if you are trading the 1 minute chart, you probably like the zap of the experience, the instant gratification monkey there that's helping you make or lose money, and you can see it as it happens. The day chart is when you take things a little bit more slower and you're looking to reap the benefits over a longer period of time with greater pip benefits there as well. Now, one thing to really note with the difference between the time frames on the charts is when you're looking at the day chart, you'll most likely find that technical indicators such as moving averages, volumes, MACDs, Williams percentage, stochastics, all sorts of things, they tend to be more meaningful technical indicators on the longer term time frame. However, I don't necessarily agree with that when you're looking at monthly charts, because you're seeing 20 years or 25 years in a single go, and it's just not useful, obviously. It seems to be optimal around the 1 day time frame. A lot of people would also agree to say that it's quite optimal around the 1 hour time frame, and the 1 minute not so much. It's a little bit different. So with the 1 minute time frames, you're going to find that the technical indicators aren't as meaningful, but they are still pretty meaningful. You've just got to watch out for reversals on shorter time frames. They just do seem to happen a lot more. Like here, we've got a non-obvious downwards trend on a minute chart here, then it all of a sudden goes up, then it goes back down, then it goes up again. If I was to perhaps zoom out a little bit, which would show this part here, it just looks like it's going up, but it looks a bit crazier on the 1 minute time frame. So the answer to the question, what is the best time frame to trade? It's difficult to say. You've got your short-term traders, your long-term traders. It's not always the right question to ask. Sometimes, if you want if you use a longer time frame, such as an hour or a day, and you're looking for that specific entry point, you can use the minute or the 5 minute just to really hone in on that more perfect trade there. But they do different things, and you could be. I have actually found myself trading upwards, for example, on the daytime, and at the same time, I didn't even notice I was trading. So I was selling short. I was trading downwards on the same chart, making money both ways. So they really are different charts, even though they're the same pair on the same day or the same minute, the same moment. So it's very, very interesting. So in other words, it's all in context, guys. Trading on whichever time frame you want. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. Ciao.